Okay, now the ego mind wants to be the top banana in your life. It has many, many types of manifestations. It's equally as devastating to the female as it is the male. There is no difference. May I say to you, just since I hit this male and female thing, there is no distinctions here in MasterPath between a male and female. The male is not better than the female. And I have to say this, the female is also not better than the male. Okay? And of course, men, they say it's a man's world, right? And while that may be from one perspective, but that's just an illusion. A lot of women are very disturbed about that. And they go into their woman's lib, and I'm all for that. I think a woman should be totally liberated as well as a man should be. And there's no doubt that our world has treated women in an inferior way. However, that's all illusion, and that's all one's karma. Please understand that if you are a man, you have all the constituents to unfold spiritually. And if you are a female, you have the same. There's no difference. Each male has their anima and animus, their feminine and masculine qualities, and every female has the same. Now, if the men want to get hot to trot and vain and egocentric and say that they are superior to women, they can, but that's just ego and vanity. And if the women want to be offended by the fact that there's through appearances, a superior being, well, they can, but that's an illusion too. Each one has everything they need to unfold. And so we don't want to get caught up in this big game of women's lib or men trying to control women or conquer them or any of this stuff. Men have it no better than women, and women have it no better than men. Okay, each human body contains all the forces and all the powers. Okay, while I'm on this subject, let's go into this soulmate thing. Okay, people want love so badly. They feel so lonely and alone in their life. And many of you wanted love. I certainly wanted love when I was a young man. And they feel that there's some out there, there's some mate. They're looking for their mate out there, their soulmate, you see. Well, can I tell you in no less words that that's just a jive job, and that just is meant to appeal to your emotional senses and your illusion. The truth of the matter is, loved ones, is that there's no way that when we are created, one half goes to a male, and then another half goes to some female out there in the world, and we have to struggle. The male has to struggle to find a female, and the female has to basically wait until the male shows up. You see, this is very much an illusion. I know one can be very fond of this, and they can dream about finding the perfect mate and the perfect lover, and this type of thing. That's very understandable, but this is just a knee-jerk reaction, loved ones, to the fact that your true soulmate is, of course, your soul. See, when we start out on the path, we're in the ego mind. And we can feel very lonely and lost. And as much as we think we've got it together, we also know we don't have it together at all. And this ego mind is looking for its other half. But the ego mind doesn't realize that its very self is the illusion. And so it looks at its other half as being another ego mind in another body, a distinctly different body. No, your other half, loved ones, is your consciousness. You see, in the ego mind in the body begins this big journey where it's trying to find out who it is, where it is, why is it here, where is it going, and naturally it feels like it wants love and wants a companion. Now, I want to tell you that I am not against companionship. I think love between one person and another is very good. I think it's the beginning steps to the divine love, and it teaches us many, many, many things. But if you feel that this is the highest love of all, the love for a man and a woman, well then, there's going to be some hard knocks in life. Because in loving another person more than you love yourself, you're committing an egregious act against the Spirit. We are to love our own self first, and we're supposed to love the Master, and then because of that love, it exudes out and touches everyone, and then we can love other people. So love is wonderful, but this searching for the true love is going to continue until you find it. And all I want to say is, please don't look too hard in the outside world to find this love, because this love is in the form of spiritual realities and exists right here in the third eye. And this love, of course, is your consciousness and the inner master that reside right up here in the third eye, and they are patiently waiting for your ego self down in here, after it's gone through a lot of purification, to rise up and to surrender to its own I am, and there rendezvous with its lover. You see, our true lover is our better half, our soul half. And yet we can't jump right into our soul consciousness as of yet, and so the Master in his two forms, the outer and the inner Master, serve as a way station until we are able to actuate and realize the love of self.